Welcome back to the iGaming channel, brought to you by the Casino Marketing Shop. Today we're answering, what is a casino affiliate site? A casino affiliate site is your online storefront for promoting casino brands. It's a dedicated website or blog where you publish game reviews, bonus guides, comparison tables and news, all designed to attract and inform potential players. Each piece of content features unique tracking links or banners. When visitors click, sign up and deposit at the casino, you earn commissions, either a share of their losses or a fixed CPA fee. Successful sites focus on user experience, clear navigation, mobile optimization, and fast loading times. They build trust with honest reviews, real player testimonials, and transparent bonus breakdowns. SEO is your best friend. Target keywords like best slots bonuses or safe online casinos to rank high and drive organic traffic. Combine that with targeted ads and email capture forms to maximize conversions. Ready to launch or optimize your affiliate site? Contact our experts at casinomarketing.shop for a custom site audit, content strategy, and hands-on support. Let the Casino Marketing Shop turn your site into a high-earning affiliate machine.